Hi, this question is taken from the 2015 GCE O-Level Exam, Paper 2. Now let's look at the question. It says here the diagram shows a circle ABCD, center O. CT and ET are tangents to the circle. Angle CAE is equal to 68 degrees and angle DET is 32 degrees. So these are the two angles that are given. Find giving reasons for each answer. Angle EBC. So the first part, angle EBC, is the angle here. So we can see clearly this angle is equal to this angle because they are angles in the same segment. So we are required to give the reason for our answers. So let's write down the reason. Angles in same segment. Now one way to recognize angles in the same segment is they both started from the same 2 points, E and C. The angle EAC is here and the angle EBC is here. They both start from the same points, E and C. So they are angles in the same segment. Now for part 2, we are asked to find angle CDE, which is the angle here. Now you notice this is a quadrilateral within the circle. So these are angles in opposite segment. They are supplementary, which means when added together, the sum is 180 degrees. So we can find angle E, or rather CDE. Is equal to 180 minus the angle opposite, which is 68 degrees. The answer is 112 degrees. And the reason is angles in opposite segment. Now for part 3, angle CTE. CTE is the angle here. We are told in the question that CT and ET are tangents to the circle. We know that one of the properties of circles is that a tangent and the radius at the point of contact meet at 90 degrees. Same for the angle here, it's also 90 degrees. So if we can find the angle here, we can use the sum of angles of a quadrilateral to work out the angle CTE. Now this angle here, we have to find first. the angle COE. COE is equal to twice this angle here, 68. So 2 times 68 will give us 136 degrees. Let's write down the value here, 136 degrees. So we can find the angle here. So that's the angle CTE. Let's write down first the reason for this. This angle here is at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Notice again they start from the same 2 points also, the point E and C. But one angle is at the center and the other angle is at the circumference. So we write down angle at center equal to 2 times angle at circumference. This is the short form for circumference. Now we can find the angle CTE. Therefore, angle CTE is equal to 360 degrees less the sum of the other 3 angles within the quadrilateral OCTE. So the other 3 angles are 90, 90, and 136. When we work that out, we get the value 44 degrees. So the reason is sum of angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Now for the final part, angle OCD. OCD, that's the angle here. First, we have to find this angle, OED, because we know that the sum of the 4 angles in this quadrilateral is also 360. So let's find this angle first, OED. Angle OED is 90 minus the small angle here, 32 degrees. Which will give us 58 degrees. Let's write down the angle, 58 degrees. So we can find the angle OCD. It's 360 minus the sum of the other 3 angles. This angle we have found earlier to be 112 degrees. So the three angles within the quadrilateral is 136 at 58 at 112 degrees. That will give us the answer 54 degrees. Again, the reason is the same as the previous part. Sum of angles of quadrilateral.